gonna take some stuff down to the scrapper. Today's November the 4th. This is some steel. Today's voting day. While everybody else is voting, I'm gonna make a little money. Here's a little bit of aluminum, some old light heads. Aluminum. Here's a little bit of copper wire. And a little bit of brass, yellow brass here. What I like about this particular scrapper that I'm going to is he goes through everything. So my receipt will have 5 different items on it. Here's an electric motor from a dehumidifier I took off. That's the fan motor. And this is the pump off of that. I don't know what I'm going to get from that. And lastly, I got the fins with had quite a bit of aluminum on them and some copper scraps. Okay. All right. Off to make a little bit of money. It's amazing how you can make money off of nothing. Money for nothing. $14.91 from that little bit. Aha.